Living in Arizona without reliable air conditioning can be pretty dangerous.
And one Valley veteran says that he has been breaking down, or his has been breaking down, that is, a lot over the last several years. Fox 10's Irene Snyder has more on the gift that he and his family will never forget.
The Dunagans have been dealing with a failing AC system for years, constantly patching it up and hoping it would get them by summer after summer, until today.
I actually didn't believe it at first. So when my wife told me, hey, we have an AC company that's coming out, I just thought, okay, great. She called somebody, they're coming out, they're going to give us another high quote that I'm not going to be able to do.
But this time, there was no bill. Ace Home Services is replacing their entire unit for free. It's part of an annual program where they provide AC services to a veteran.
We're a veteran-owned company, so this is just our way of giving back to the community. So we're really excited to support the Dunagans today. I feel like we couldn't have picked a more deserving family.
Shanen Dunagan served in the Marines from '94 to 2004.
I lost about a decade of my life being back here. And what I mean by that is just a PTSD, depression, adjustment disorder, anxiety, nightmares, right, all of the above, suicidal ideation and all of those things. So for about 10 years of my life, through 15 surgeries that I've had because of injuries that I sustained.
It was his wife that wrote to Ace to apply for the unit.
Maybe like a week or so or two, I got a phone call that we actually won. And I was completely in shock. I'm still kind of in shock now.
Living in Arizona in the summer without reliable AC is brutal. So the Dunagans say for their family, this will be life-changing.
To just sit and be able to actually receive this blessing and, and receive the award from my wife writing this letter is amazing.
Irene Snyder, Fox 10 News.